Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use TradingView, a powerful platform for technical analysis and trading. To get started, create an account and log into the website. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with various tools and features. First, let's explore the charting interface. The chart is the core of TradingView, and it's where you will spend most of your time. You can customize the chart by selecting different timeframes, indicators, and overlays. To add an indicator, click on the Indicators tab and select from a wide range of options, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. Next, let's discuss alerts. Alerts are notifications that you can set up to inform you when a specific condition is met, such as when a stock reaches a certain price or when a particular indicator is triggered. To set up an alert, click on the Alert tab and select the condition you want to monitor. Another key feature of TradingView is the ability to create and save your own custom templates. A template is a predefined set of indicators and settings that you can apply to any chart. To create a template, click on the Template tab and select the indicators and settings you want to include. TradingView also has a large community of users who share their ideas and insights through the platform's chat feature. You can participate in discussions, ask questions, and learn from other traders. To access the chat feature, click on the Chat tab and select the room you want to join. In addition to these features, TradingView also offers a range of tools for backtesting and analyzing trading strategies. You can use the Strategy Tester to evaluate the performance of a trading idea and identify areas for improvement. To get the most out of TradingView, it's essential to understand some key concepts, including technical indicators, chart patterns, and risk management. Technical indicators are tools used to analyze and predict price movements, while chart patterns are visual representations of price action. Risk management is critical to successful trading, and it involves setting stop losses, limiting position size, and diversifying your portfolio. By following these steps and practicing with a free demo account, you can become proficient in using TradingView and improve your trading skills. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and to stay up to date with market news and analysis. With its powerful tools and features, TradingView is an essential platform for any serious trader or investor.